Hey, good morning, guys. Tim at CRE. I just want to show you some ways to learn more about your cars. Your 944s in specific there, and the 924S, of course. There were some questions about model years lately, and I wanted to show you a few things you can find very quickly on your car to learn more about it. This starting out with American cars. This is your VIN tag and your windshield right there. The 944s in the U.S. start with model year 83. There's going to be a D in the middle of the VIN, and 1984 is going to be E. 1985 is going to be F, G, blah, blah, skip I, so it doesn't get confused with one. Okay, so that's your VIN tag for the US. There's a couple more pieces of information right here. One is this little, it's a build decal, and right in the top right corner it shows when your car was actually produced right here. That's not the model year, that's when it was produced. They always build them, the year before the model year. Here's another great piece of info right here. Your paint code tag, in this case, is the beautiful Kalahari beige metallic. And if you have that decal, you might want to put a piece of clear tape over it, like a shipping tape, just to preserve it, and you'll see the 4-digit paint code right there. Let's go around to this side of the car. And whereas the American VIN is unique to our market, as far as I know, this is the number that identifies the chassis. This is the production number right here. It's almost the same exact thing as the VIN, but that'll be stamped into your firewall right there. There's a couple other plates that are hidden around the car that they can use to identify chassis too. I don't know how to read those guys yet. Let's go around to the back of the car. You go first. We'll go around to the back of the car. I'll show you another piece of paper here. And right here in the back of the car, you've got a white build code decal, we call this. There's almost always one there. If somebody's modded something or repairing it, might be gone, but this is a good way to learn a lot about your car right here. And a second copy of this will be in your, almost always be in your warranty book, like that. It'll be in your warranty book with the same information. So you can see here there's a D in this one. This warranty book here is not for this car. That's a 1983 model. There's the model right there. This one actually had an 8Q transmission in it, which is an early tall fifth LSD transmission. And here's the paint code right here, LM3A, the much hated guards red, way too common. And then you'll see a bunch of 3-digit codes down here in the bottom that are options that came with this car. You can see the 220 right here is reflective of the LSD. There's 158, I think, is one of the radios, maybe. Other ones you can get these codes on the internet. You'll see ones for partial leatherette seats are real common. Sunroof, most of the American cars like that. So you can have fun looking up those codes. Look up your paint code. Learn just dig into it and learn about your car. There's a lot of information ready to go. When you're ordering parts, always go by the VIN, not the build date. Okay, you're going to get into trouble getting the wrong parts. Okay. And so there you go on that. Thanks a lot to Frankie Hope for bringing me this nice shirt. He got a picture of his 86 951 slate gray on there. It could be an S2 also, but we know the guy, so we know it's a 944 turbo front end. And if I didn't have this silhouette on the front, there's probably no way that you'd ever know that I'm the world's biggest 944 fan. See ya.